Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the use of the continuous statement. Let's now go and write our code. So the continuous statement is used inside a loop. Whenever a continuous statement is encountered inside a loop, control directly jumps to the beginning of the loop for the next iteration, skipping the execution of the statement inside the loop's body for the current iteration. Now let's say we want to display numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so we have created this already. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now what we would like to do is that we will now be skipping the value of 5 here. So instead of displaying numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we're going to jump to the next item here without displaying the value of number 5. So let's write our code now. First thing is, let's initialize our variables where I will be used for our loop. Next is, let's now create our for loop statement. For I is equals to 1, I less than equal to 10, then I plus plus. Let us display first our value of I. So cout space I. Let's run our code to see the output. So we have this output here. Let me, okay. Now the output that was generated displays the values of 1 to 10. Now what we'd like to do is that we will be skipping this value here, 5, so that it could display now numbers 6 to 10. Let's now have the continue statement. First thing that you have to do is we have to create here a condition. If I is exactly equal to 5, what we're going to do here is to use the statement continue. What it does is it will now jump. It will not, let's say for example, we have 4 already and then increment it by 1, then we have 5. We will going to evaluate this statement. What it does is, if I is exactly equal to 5, it will jump to the next statement wherein it goes to the loop here. It will not print out the value of 5 anymore. Okay, so that will be 5 plus 1, it will be 6. And then test this one, it's true. Then since I is not equal to 5, it will ignore this statement and continue printing the value of I here. So let's run our code. Okay, for the meantime, this is the output. When we execute our program, this is now the output. We are able to display the value of 1, 2, 3, 4, but when it reaches here, a condition that is 5, it will continue not to display the value of 5, but jump to our increment here, add 1 to 5, that will be 6, and continue with the rest of our program. Okay, so that is how the continue statement works in C++. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.